Hello everyone, my name is Wakwale Joshua Koko and I'm a first year student at Gulu University. I welcome you once again to my YouTube channel. This is the place where your ICT dreams are made to come true. I get to learn first of all the basics, and as we move on, the technicals to do with ICT. And today I come with a very interesting topic that's really practical and it's very important in our day-to-day lives. Today we are going to discuss majorly about Google Maps. Google Maps is really so important because we as people, we keep moving. At a given point of life, you'll get lost, and the best place to go to for directions is Google Maps, because I've used it before and I've proven that it is something that's really so effective. And I'd really advise anyone who is looking for an app, maybe something that will, direct them in case they are lost, to consider Google Maps. So first of all, to open Google Maps, as we have done with the previous Google applications, just go right there. In that top right corner, click on that icon, and then you'll go to Google Maps right there. When you tap on it, it's going to open, so it's loading. Let's just give it a bit of time as it loads. Yeah, so Google Maps is something that's really so interesting, as we're going to see. There you go, here. So this is Google Maps. It's showing us different places. We have Northern Pearl, an Indian restaurant. We have Laro Villas, Green Park Hostel is right here. So interesting, so interesting. You can see that all the different roads are being showed, the major roads, now the minor ones are also being showed. Yeah, everything is just so interesting, and they have particular icons for specific places. For example, this shows a hostel or maybe a hotel. I've just zoomed in, let me remove that. We can see that roads are being showed by this line. Very many things we can actually look at here in Google Maps. And if you want something in particular, maybe you want to view the restaurants in Gulu, maybe in Kampala, you always come and just tap here, I want restaurants, and Google will always bring for you that. Hotels, and they'll bring for just that. Things to do, museums, transit, pharmacies, whatever it is that you may want, just go there and Google will always bring for you exactly what you're actually looking for. But now, in case you want to know your precise location, there's an icon right over here that you simply going to tap. There you go, it zooms in and shows you exactly where you are. So I'm right around here, near Green Park Hostel and Boma Hotel. So that's exactly where I am. You can see there's BJ's bar here. Very many different and interesting things around there. And yeah, actually in hotel is right over there. I mean, it's really so interesting and fascinating. And in case I want to see exactly how Green Park Hostel looks like, I'll just come there and tap on it and it loads. So it's going to give me a picture of Green Park Hostel. Very interesting. Maybe in case I'm going there and I really don't know how the place looks like, it got me covered. There you go, that's Green Park Hostel. So in case I'm going to a place and I don't know how it looks like, Go can be of help. It shows me that where you're going to, you'll see this and this. That's really important. Then in case I want to maybe get directions, maybe I'm at probably Green Park Hostel and I want to get to maybe the university playground. I want to get to the Gulu University main campus. I simply have to come here, somewhere here, and maybe I tap on this. Okay, I have to just ask this Google for directions. That's something very simple. I'll come here and tap on that directions, yes. Then I'll tap my location. I will say maybe I'm at Ochwe Hostel, Ochwe Memorial Hostel. Let's say it right there, Ochwe Memorial Hostel, right over there. Then destination, you can say I'm going to Gulu University right over there, and then it's going to process for me directions. As you can see, very interestingly, that dark or light blue line, whatever you may be able to visualize, is leading me towards Gulu University. And so if I move from Ochwe Hostel, I can either take this route or I can take this route. And then what's even more fascinating is that it actually tells you how long it will take you to get to that place. So there's a faster route that it shows you here, and maybe a fastest route, I mean, very very interesting. So it can actually tell you how long you will take when you're using maybe your foot, how long you will take when you're using a vehicle. Yeah, very interesting things. Leaving that aside, when you come to Google, one of the other things that I really like about it is that this map can be showed in a way that you want. You can come here and maybe I want it to be showed in the terrain form. That's where I am right now. Changes. In case I want maybe transit form, traffic. Yeah, so fascinating and interesting, and it's an interesting application, and I implore you guys to give it time and look more into this because it's so interesting. So thank you guys for watching, and in case you haven't subscribed, please consider that, and I wait for what comes ahead of us because it's a lot that's coming. Stay tuned. This is my channel, and let's grow together in ICT. Thank you so much.